Hello and welcome back to ENG and my name is Bharati. Let's learn past continuous tense in this video. Always remember, tense means the time of action and verb plays a major role in tenses. Verb is a word that denotes an action, a state of being and position. So let's learn past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is an action that was going on at some time in the past. That is, past continuous tense is an action that was going on for some time at the past. That is, the action started at some point in the past, it was going on for some time and it completed. That is called the past continuous tense. The action started in the past and it was going on, that is, it was continuing for some time in the past. That is past continuous tense. Look at the examples. The wind was blowing hard. As I said, verb plus ing alone will not give meaning. We have to use the be form of verbs depending upon the time of action to denote the tense. So, the wind was blowing hard. Here was is the be verb and blow is the verb. Ing is added to show the continuous action. Honeybees were building their hives. Honeybees is the subject and were is the be form of verb. Build is the main verb and ing is used to denote the continuing action. I was jogging in the morning. I is the subject, was is the be verb, jog is the main verb and we add ing to show that the action was continuing. Now let's see the rules to form the past continuous tense. Formation of past continuous tense. How is the past continuous tense formed? That is, we use a be verb plus a verb and we add ing to the verb to show the continuing action. The be verb for past tense are was and were. Was is used with the singular subject and were is used with the plural subject. So the formation of the past continuous tense or the structure for the past continuous tense is either was plus verb ing or were plus verb ing. If it is a singular subject, it is was. If it is a plural subject, it is were. For singular subject, use was plus verb plus ing. Was plus verb plus ing if the subject is singular. Hari was not answering the questions. Hari is a boy and Hari is singular. Was, so we use was. Okay, this is was. Not is used to denote a negative sense. Answering, answer is the verb and ing is added to show the continuing action. Hari was not answering the question. She was preparing for her exams. So she is a singular subject. So we use was. Prepare is the verb. We add ing to show the continuing action. So she was preparing for her exams. It was getting dark. It, that is the weather. It was. It is singular, so we use was. Get is the main verb. Ing is used to show the continuing action. So it was getting dark. For plural subjects, use were plus verb plus ing. So for plural subjects, we use were plus verb plus ing. Children were shivering with cold. Children is a plural noun. So we use were. So shiver is the verb and ing denotes the continuing action. Children were shivering with cold. This were denotes the past tense. Buses were not plying on the roads yesterday. So buses is plural. Were is the plural be verb. Not denotes the negative action. Plying. Ply is the verb and ing is the continuing action. So buses were not plying on the roads yesterday. You were driving rashly yesterday. You is a plural noun. It is a plural noun. So were is the plural be verb. Drive is the verb and ing denotes the continuing verb. So you were driving rashly yesterday. So for singular subject we use was plus verb plus ing, and for plural subjects we use were plus verb plus ing. Next, how interrogative sentences is formed in past continuous tense. Interrogatives are formed in past continuous tense. So how the yes or no type questions or the WH questions. Both the type of questions can be framed in the past continuous tense. The first one, as I told you in the previous video, in the interrogative sentence, first the verb will take place. That is, especially when it is a yes or no type question, first the verb comes and then the noun. So were you searching for me? Here you is the subject and it is a plural form. So we use were. Were you searching for me? Search is the verb and ing to show the continuing action. Wasn't I telling you what I saw yesterday? So I here is considered as singular, and so we use was. Wasn't, this shows the negative. It's a contraction for not. Wasn't I telling you what I saw yesterday? What was the boy chewing in the class? So what, this is the WH questions. This is the WH word. So the boy is the subject and it is in singular. So we use was. What was the boy chewing? Chew is the main verb and ing is the continuing action. What was the boy chewing in the class? Why were you standing under the sun? Here, why is the WH question. You is the subject which is in plural, and so we use were. Why were you standing under the sun? Stand is the verb and ing form to denote the continuing action. How were they walking without shoes in the desert? How is the WH question. They is the subject in plural, and so we use were. Walk is the verb and ing is added. This shows that the action was continuing. How were they working without shoes in the desert? So this is how we frame the interrogatives in the past continuous tense. To sum up, we learnt what past continuous tense is, how the past continuous tense is formed. We learnt the be verbs, the singular be verb, the plural be verb, and how the ing verb is formed to denote the tense. We learnt how to frame interrogatives using past continuous tense. We learnt the yes or no type questions as well as the WH questions. This marks the end of past continuous tense. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share and hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Also drop your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching.